I do suspect law schools will be pushing out their application deadlines for the coming cycle, not least because of all this uncertainty around testing and dates and such. So, if you can't take it until the next calendar year, whenever they might decide to administer it, I think that'll end up being okay. In other years, that's not so great. This year, I think a lot of people are going to be in that boat, and I don't think it's going to be a liability. And I think, they're going to push out that deadline to accommodate you guys because, they don't want to discourage you from applying, right? They want you to apply. They want to see you succeed. So I think they're going to take some steps to accommodate people who are having trouble.
No doubt. Yeah. I mean, the deadlines are all based on assumptions around the previous state of the world,
right?
Pre-February, pre-March of this year, assuming everything was smooth. Now, as Anna, as you've been emphasizing, they really don't apply. In law schools, their job is to fill seats, not to stick to old deadlines. And so if they got to toss those out, they will.
Model, right? It's the airplane business model, which is they've got to have butts in those seats come orientation, right? And any seat that's not filled is a big revenue hit for this school. So that's why they keep these deep wait lists. They don't want any seats going unfilled in that 1L class. So the more people are kind of bouncing around and changing plans or deferring or whatever, you're just going to see a lot more spots opening up, I suspect, than in previous years. So I keep saying to people, hang in there. It's going to be a marathon and not a sprint. But if you're willing to incorporate some flexibility around sort of when you're submitting, when you're taking the tests, and you're okay with that inherent sense of unease, the law schools are feeling it too. They're feeling terribly anxious about this.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.